what if you don't know how to describe your real-world problem? How can you use deep learning, data-driven techniques, modern data-driven techniques to learn that question or something like that? So that's what we're doing, is we're trying to enhance we're trying to use the principles behind the salsa algorithm, which are proven, they're proven over time and mathematically and so forth. We want to use those principles while also using sort of the power of data-driven techniques. This equation is a very simple way to model some signal. Y on the left-hand side is our signal or our data. And we're just saying, okay, we want to rewrite that into two parts. Like one is just some noise. Like we assume our signal has some noise and we don't really want to model that directly. We want to model, the signal itself that we're interested in. And we want to model it in two parts. A is a dictionary, and X is like which pieces of the dictionary do we want to use. So we're rewriting our signal in terms of a dictionary, and that can help us understand what's in the signal. So like the example is like this. So basically, if you take like a little patch of this image, like this cat ear, you could rewrite that as just like, a sum of 5 different curves, and that's just building on the principle of any shape is a sum of simpler shapes. So instead of, storing all these pixels, like all bazillion pixels that are used to represent this ear, you can just store like, oh, that ear is, 20 different curves. So you're going from like 10,000 pixels to 10 curves. So that's what I mean when I say efficient and I say we want the model to be sparse.
The algorithm of salsa is an easier way of approaching to a solution. As seen in the flowchart of salsa, the algorithm might be able to solve it faster due to all the possibilities that is put into the algorithm. However, you are sacrificing accuracy but gaining speed.
Focus on your math, focus on your basic coding skills. Like your goal should be to get to a point where coding is fun. Like you have an idea like, oh, I'm gonna try that and write a little code and make it happen,